I'm here with Brian Reed. Brian is the CFO of Serve Robotics. Congratulations on a great afternoon session.
Thank you.
Glad to have you. Serve Robotics. Robotics is really not a term you hear much at an oil and gas investment conference. What intrigued you about the whole premise about coming to a conference like this, Brian?
Yeah, I mean, we're not the target demographic, but we're glad to be here, get a new audience, get in front of some new people, tell the story. So, it's been a great event. I think over 1,000 people I heard. So nice to have. We had great turnout at our presentation earlier this afternoon. Oil and gas is within technology. They've been using LiDAR. They've been looking for ways to automate. They're looking to reduce costs, and that's what we're doing with Serve Robotics. We're not in oil and gas. We're in food delivery, but we're in last mile as a broader space.
Yep.
And down the road, we want to be in the automation space, the platform where we allow complex machines to operate in human environments. And oil and gas is a human-centered environment.
That's a neat point you make. When you talk about the confluence between AI and robotics, what's level 4? That's the level you guys are at, right?
Correct. Yeah, we're the first company that's commercialized a level 4 solution. So if you think about the autonomy levels, 1 to 5. 2, 3, it's about your Tesla, your self-driving, you got to have your hands on the wheel. Level 5 is the holy grail that people have been chasing with hundreds of millions and billions of dollars over the last decade or two.
Sure.
And the company and the founding team was very intentional that level 4 was going to be able to be solved, and we could put products to market at level 4, and we're doing just that. So our robots are on the streets of Los Angeles right now at level 4 autonomy, where they're operating autonomously, and if they need to have a human intervene, they can send a message and say, I don't know what to do, and they do it safely, right? When they're not a car going down the street, that robot can come to a stop, that robot can slow down, that robot can pull off, and then a human can take over, and that's what level 4 is, finding that mix, the right mix of human and robot to bring that product to market.
So you guys really have first mover advantage then.
There's some competitors, right, that have been doing this.
You guys,
we're the first people that have commercialized it, right? We're doing more autonomous deliveries than most people out there right now. Over 50,000 deliveries we've done to date, and we've done that at the level 4.
Wow, unbelievable. Yeah. The story is certainly compelling, and that is reflected in two things. Number one, some of the backing you have between Uber and NVIDIA. Want to talk about your partners and your backers right away? Yeah,
awesome cap table. So we are public right now. We uplisted to the NASDAQ in April of this past year.
Congratulations.
So very exciting for the company and our employees and our stakeholders. And we did that with the help of Uber, NVIDIA, 7-Eleven, Delivery Hero. We just have some great partners and investors that have been behind us since really since day one for some of those people.
You guys had a pretty good summer on the market.
It's been nice. Last couple of months, seeing some traction. Our stock price is one indicator of what we're doing, but the other indicator is our team behind the scenes.
Hold on, let's talk about that stock price.
All right.
Let's hear it.
So up 250, 300%, I think, over the last couple of months.
Tasty.
So it's nice. We were able to take an opportunistic fundraise, bring that down for about $15 million about 2 or 3 weeks ago. So nice to shore up the balance sheet, spend a little bit more on some strategic investments that we have on the software side, on the autonomy side. So we're looking forward to doing that. It's been a busy summer, and now we're here. Yeah,
it's been a good summer. One last question: where do you guys want to be in a year?
We have a plan to deploy 2,000 robots.
You do?
Within Los Angeles and as well as some other metros in the U.S. So we're heads down on executing that. So hopefully we can be coming to a city near you in the near term.
Great.
Yeah,
Thanks, man.
Thank you.
Brian Reed, CFO for Serve Robotics. One of the more interesting companies to present at this year's EnerCom Investment Conference. We're glad to have them. Hope to see them again next year.
Thank you.
Thank you, Brian.
Yep.
Good job.